Ay, ay. Hundreds of bottles and beautiful models. I wanna sing to a Quavo Sinatra. She know that I'm young, but she.
Hello?
Hey.
What's up?
What's up?
Oh, like, why you not showing yourself?
I don't know. I just got up here today.
Oh, you feel ugly or something?
Mm-mm.
She ugly, dog, I'm telling you. Yo.
Hi.
What's up?
Are you just twisting your hair?
Nah, I was untwisting it, you know?
No.
Yeah, I time real quick. Hold the meat, bro. Hello? You ain't gonna talk? What's up with these people? Oh, damn. Hello? Hello? I know you can hear me. I'm not retarded. Like, I know you hear me. Yo, hold my meat, bro. They could all hold my meat. Seriously, like, mad stingy for what? Like, all you gotta do is talk, bro. Like, I'm trying to ask a question, dog. Like, shit.
Yo, you love showing your. Ooh, you look good.
Yo, hello.
Hello.
Can I ask you a question real quick?
What?
Hold on, you gotta add time, though. You gotta add time. Alright. So basically, you know, my friend tried to play me. So I'm asking a question. Like, if I had the chance, right, to be your boyfriend, would that be possible?
If you have to cheat to be my boyfriend?
Yeah, if I had the chance to be your boyfriend, right, would that be possible?
It depends if I know you and your personality. Yeah.
That's valid. That's valid. You right. Because you know you can't just date anybody. And it's not good to date just anybody. Because you know not everyone the same. Not everybody personality, right? So that's understandable. I could take that. It's alright. Kind of broke my heart, but it's alright.
At time.
I got you real quick. Kind of getting hot in this game bathroom. But what y'all doing though?
Keep telling us stories. Yeah, keep telling us stuff because, you know, we're bullshit.
Keep telling y'all what?
Story. I don't know anything.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know nothing either. I just had one question.
So how's the life?
Life's good right now.
What's your real name?
What's my real name? My real name is DeAndre.
What?
DeAndre.
Okay. Our name is... I forgot our names. My name is Justin. I'm Karen.
Karen? That's what you said?
Yeah. I'm Karen. She's Justin.
Yeah, I know. I didn't really hear you, so you know, I had to ask. But I see I live in New York.
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What part? What part?
The Bronx. Yeah.
The Bronx. I don't like...
Why you put that? I hope we see each other.
I don't like the Bronx, man. Oh, that's how it was. Alright. It was alright. It was something. Finally. Shit. Man, goddamn thing took so damn long, bro.
DeAndre.
Yeah, that's me. Hold on, I got a question. Can I ask you a question? You can hear me? Hold the meat. That's all I gotta say. Hold the meat.
Goddamn thing takes so damn long. Oh my god, what did you keep saying?
I'm not even talking no damn God, man. I don't want to talk no God, bro. There's a bunch of niggas on this shit, man. God damn. I can't hear you, man. Seriously. Yo. With this app, everybody on this app could really hold the meat, bro. Hold the meat. I'm done. This is the worst experience right now. Everybody on this app, hold the meat. Yo. Ain't nobody adding your snap, bro. Ain't nobody adding your snap. I wasn't even gonna ask you to add my snap. So what you trying about? Get off my screen. Yo. Y'all in school? Damn, you from down south, aren't you? I could tell she from down south. I know she from down south, cause she getting goddamn. She in school. Who's in school? What's up? Why it seem like everybody in school? Get your hands on my face, nigga. Dirty ass Cindy's. What the fuck, nigga?
Head up, nigga.
Suck my dick. That ass. Suck my dick.
Hey, you're the coolest monkey in the jungle, huh?
Yeah, I'm the coolest monkey in the jungle.
Hey, let me suck your cheeks.
That nigga gay. That nigga gay. Hey, yo, man. Yo. Why it seem like you in school?
Huh?
Why it seem like you in school?
I
That time, hold on. That time. Damn.
Hey, yo, DeAndre.
Hey, yo, dog. Let me ask you a question.
Let me ask you a question first.
What?
Hey, add Tom.
What happened? I did.
Add Tom.
Yeah, I did.
What you want to ask me, bro?
Alright. You from North Carolina, right?
Yeah.
The girls down there talk horrible?
Do they talk horrible?
Yeah.
Nah, they talk good.
Nah, I heard they talk mad weird. So that's why I had to ask.
You from New York?
Yeah.
You got that accent, bro. Hey, are New York girls weird?
Are they weird?
Yeah.
Nah, bruh. Nah.
They freaky? I heard they like to suck dick. I'm trying to get my dick sucked by some New York bitches.
You gotta come to New York then.
Hey, what school you go to?
You're not even gonna know my school, bruh.
I might, cause I got some niggas that. Hey, ask one more time. I got some niggas that live in.
It depends on where though.
My friend Macaulay is in the Bronx.
Yeah, I live all the way in Queens, man.
Oh, you live in Queens, my nigga. Damn, wait, how far is that from Bronx?
I mean, it depends. Probably like an hour.
Damn. So have you been to the Bronx?
Yeah, plenty of times.
Is it small?
Nah, I wouldn't say so. It's kind of big, but it's close to Manhattan.
Oh, damn. I got a friend. His name Macaw. He live down there.
Yeah, but the Bronx is dirty, man.
All them bitches down there like suck dick. I'm trying to get my dick sucked by some New York girls.
You gotta come to New York, man.
But you live in Manhattan, bro. That's like, ain't that like the Well, you said you live in Manhattan, right?
Nah, I live in Queens.
Oh, you live in Queens?
Yeah.
My fault. So that's Manhattan's like where the white people be at.
There black people there too.
Oh, true. So you be getting. Oh, so you trying to come to North Carolina?
I don't know. Who knows, man? Who knows?
I mean, they not weird, but they freaky as hell though.
Nah.
Bro, they fucking ugly. I'm trying to say that right now. Fucking North Carolina bitches are fucking ugly.
I was told. When my friend told me that.
They fucking ugly, bro. Alright, bro.
Alright, man. That was loud. Damn. That was the longest conversation. Goddamn conversation lasts forever. Shit. Let me ask you a question, man.
Hi.
So y'all live in England, right?
No, Scotland.
Scotland?
Yeah.
So hold on, at time. Alright. So like, how's the schooling over there? How's the schools?
Good.
So y'all wear whatever y'all want to school, or y'all gotta wear a uniform?
Yeah. We got to wear uniform.
Damn.
That's the uniform.
Nah, I can't handle the uniform, man.
Well, we don't have a choice.
I know. I mean, all countries are different, right?
Yep.
I used to wear a uniform to school. That's where I used to live, though. Now, I wear whatever I want. Nah, but how's, like, country-wise, how is it?
Well, 15.
What?
15. What?
What?
You don't make sense.
That don't make no sense. I said, how's the country?
Oh, I just said how old.
She thought I said, how old is she? Oh my God. That time.
No.
Hey, man.
Hey.
Wagwan dogs. So what y'all hiding yourself for? You cute. Let me see if the other one cute too. At time. No, whoa. I take that back. That gap.